was getting ready to install the dash and I dropped a brand new screw into the vent. So I decided to put the screen on similar to what I did on the heater box vent. So I just drilled two small holes. The plastic vent will sit up here and push up against this. And I did the same over here. I could have put it underneath there's a little piece of foam here. I could have put it underneath the foam and then reapplied the foam, but it's like, it doesn't need to be that complicated. And then I had some leftover aluminum stripping because I was trying to figure out the drill bit size, the proper drill bit size for the rivets that I was using yesterday. So I bent it up and curved it to this, and then I used this JB plastic weld I used this JB plastic weld on the blower motor fan, and so I used it on this crack in the dash here with that aluminum backing. And then my plan is to drill it out to the same diameter, not necessarily the same width, but the same diameter as these slotted holes. And then I was going to inspect these for cracks. There's a little crack here, so I might do the same here. This one I'm undecided what to do with this because I don't have the plastic piece. These dashes are polycarbonate, which is probably why they last so long. I don't know if you can see that, polycarb. And then this one here has some installation number, unless this was, I don't see how it would be a junkyard because my VIN plate is right there. It has the OE style rivets to it. So yeah. There's that little piece that I'm gonna have to rivet to the heater vent because I had to drill this out because I couldn't get to the screw when I took the dash apart. I had to drill these out, so I need to go get that piece next and lay that in there. And it's good that I saw this now because I almost forgot it.